More equations today. These equations have variables on both sides. So the first thing we're going to do today is group the terms with variables on one side of the equal sign and simplify. So what we want to do is, since we have variables on both sides, we want to look at the side that has a variable and a constant. And instead of moving the constant first, we're going to move the variable. And we're going to still do the opposite, and because the 4y is being subtracted, we're going to add 4y to both sides. Okay, so these 4y's cancel, and we have 60 equals 12y. We cannot start solving for an equation and solving for the variable if you have a variable on both sides. That's why we have to move the variable first. So, look to the side, do B, look to the side with a variable and a constant, and move the variable first. 5b is being subtracted. The opposite of subtracting 5b is to add 5b. These 5's cancel out, which leaves us just 72, and negative 2 plus 5b would be 5 minus 2 equals 3. 5 is the bigger absolute value, and it's positive, so our answer is 72 equals 3b. Okay, so we have a variable on both sides, so we look to the variable with a constant, and we're going to move the variable first. Right now it's 2c, no sign, so we're going to say it's being added, so we're going to subtract 2c from both sides. Okay, these 2c's cancel. 7c minus 2c is 5c, and then equals 55. Then we have a coefficient and a variable, so we're going to divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 5. Coefficients cancel, and c equals 11. Christine can buy a new snowboard for $136.50. She will still need to rent boots for $8.50 a day. She can rent a snowboard and boots for $18.25 a day. How many days would Christine need to rent both the snowboard and boots to pay as much as she would if she buys the snowboard and rents only the boots for the season? So, it's $18.25 per day if she were to rent the snowboard and the boots. And that we want to equal 136.5 plus $8.50 a day, so we know when the two are equal to each other. So, we look at the side with the constant and the variable, and because there's a variable on both sides, we need to move the term with the variable. Right now it's being added, so we're going to subtract 8.5d from both sides. Oops. Okay. These cancel, and when we take 18.25d minus 8.5d, we get 9.75d. Okay, and then we bring down the 136.5. Now we have a coefficient with a variable. So because we have a coefficient with a variable, we know we need to divide each side by the coefficient, which in this case is 9.75. Hey, that was my baby. These cancel. We bring down the d, and 136.5 divided by 9.75 is 14. So Christine would need to rent both the snowboard and the boots for 14 days to pay as much as she would if she had bought the snowboard and rented only the boots. So go and try your check it outs.